Hello guys and welcome back. So what we're going to be doing in this video is just going to learn this really simple thing, and it's commenting. So I think you might as well just already know this, but commenting in Python is really simple. So for a one-line comment, all you need is a hash, and then you say this is a comment, right? So that's our comment. So what you can also do is, if you want multiple line comments, then you need 3 of these. There we go. And now this is a comment. Now if you run this code, then none of these should be interfering with the actual program. So this was just meant to be a really quick video, just informing you guys about how we comment in Python, because it is quite a useful skill once you get to more advanced programming, because you should leave comments as to what you've done in your work everywhere, so that it's easier for whoever's reading it to know what you've done. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.